Put the ice. Oops, sorry. Hi everyone, this is juvstv and welcome to my channel. For today's vlog, we will be making avocado shakes. So here's the ingredients that we're gonna use. We have 1/2 cup of white sugar, condensed milk, 2 avocados, 2 pieces of transparent cup, ice, and of course the blender. So let's start, guys. So first we have to cut the avocado in half. So let's put it on the blender, guys. Again, we're gonna add the sugar, condensed milk, condensed milk, put the ice. Oops, sorry. And let's start the blend. Fresh milk. I forgot the fresh milk. So let's add the fresh milk. Sorry, I forgot to put it. Avocado shake is done, guys. So comment down below if you have other methods of making avocado shake, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.